We're almost there with the twin turbo build. Today we're gonna go get the exhaust done. Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day, at least we're almost there with the twin turbo build. Today we're gonna go get the exhaust done on the car. I got stuff in here, and let's see if we get this going. I'm gonna have to go up in the pipe and stuff, but I'm gonna keep the same tips and stuff like that. So yep, so we're on our way to the exhaust shop, muffler shop, and let's get this thing, because right now this thing sounds bad. I mean, you can kind of hear the turbos a little bit, but I just think the open down pipe sound takes away a lot of that nice turbo sound. But yeah, let me see if you guys could hear some. Yeah, not good at all. So we're on our way, and let's get this thing sounding a little better. I don't think I'm gonna get the same sound that I had before, but let's see. It might be a better sound or a different sound. I know those turbos, I want to just hear that turbo whistle, so hopefully I can get a good decent amount of turbo whistle. This is technically my first longer drive I've driven since I've kind of finished it up. I mean, it's not tuned yet or anything, so I was told by Caleb, just, you can drive it, just stay off a boost, which is fine. That's not a problem. And I should be having it to Caleb maybe tomorrow or by Friday. Today's Wednesday. So yeah, so you can hear it. Open down pipe. Yeah. But let's see how she drives. Hopefully I can make it. The muffler shop is maybe I don't know, maybe 20 minutes away, 25 minutes away. Maybe 10-15 miles, I guess. So let's see how she performs. But so far everything looks good. Everything seems to be working. You know, I've had to behave, even though I want to get on it, but I gotta behave till it's tuned. So it is so loud. It's not obnoxiously loud. Like, I can still hear myself think, but it's really loud. It's like the downpipes are like probably right under me. So, and it's popping. Yeah, we're getting there. We'll take it easy on her. Just baby her. And so far everything's good. Don't check engine lights. Everything seems to be working good. But yeah, no smoke or anything strange. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm excited though. I'm ready to get this car done. I want to drive it. I want to like really drive it. Sounds like somebody's just clapping. Oh, it sounds so bad. But she's running good. And get into that boost though. God damn it, you know I want to get in that boost. She wants to. The car definitely feels. The car definitely feels freer, we'll say that. Especially, like, this car has a lightweight flywheel, and I can definitely feel the difference now with that. And the lighter weight flywheel. Like, I can tell that the car basically rev hangs more, where it, like, so it doesn't just drop. I guess the Pro Charger definitely probably took some of that away with the lighter flywheel. But yeah, it definitely feels better that way. But so far she's running good. Don't smell anything. Everything so far looks good. Guys, we're almost here. Car's running good. So far it's running great. So yeah, let's see. Let's get here to the shop. Let's get this on. God, it sounds bad though. Alright, she's on the lift, guys. Let's see. Let these guys go to work. got it just to hear how it sounds. I don't know. We'll see how this is gonna be with the new setup. I don't know. I might be bummed out if it doesn't sound similar to what you used to, but I don't think it's gonna sound similar. It's going through turbo, but I just want that turbo whistle. I get that. That'll make things a little better, at least. But yeah, we're almost done. Hopefully we should have this thing started here soon. It's all done, coming down. I'm like freaking nervous to see how this thing's gonna sound, but I think we'll be okay. Kind of went a similar concept, but a little different. We'll see. I'm back at home. I wasn't able to record basically startup and stuff like that at the muffler shop because I didn't have nobody to hold the camera, and I want somebody actually at the rear of the car. But I think it sounds pretty good. It's it sounds similar, but it's quieter. That's the only difference I could see. I was able to keep most of the same sound, and that's what I was going for. I did almost the same setup. The only thing I didn't add was another set of resonators, because I figured the turbo is gonna act like a muffler, so it's gonna quiet it down. So I did the MagnaFlow resonator, and I did an X pipe. Some people say, "Oh, you don't run an X pipe with a twin turbo." I'm gonna do it. I've read mixed reviews that it doesn't do anything. It's not gonna hurt nothing, and if anything, it's just gonna make the car actually sound better. So I'm gonna do it, and so far I'm really happy with the sound. And I'm not getting enough of that. We'll say that turbo whistle. I wish I had a little more, but I'm also thinking those resonators or mufflers are brand new, so let them burn up a little bit. Let that packing burn up a little bit. I might get more out of that. But yeah, so far I'm really happy with the sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll make you a startup and I don't know, just a couple revs, because I really can't drive the car. I can't drive the car yet, so it's a little aggravating because the car's behaving really well, really well. I got like one little drip of oil, one little just small drip coming out of the, I think it was the driver's side turbo, and it's still this black oil. My oil in this car is brand new, so I'm not sure if that's just the oil that was in the turbos before when they had all the issues with the oil problems, and it's still just slowly kind of the turbos are pushing that oil out, but it's not smoking, it's not running bad. The car wants to go. I might have hit a couple pounds of boost. I might have, just a little bit on the way home, and so the car wants to go. I don't want to, I don't want to be what's his name, Xander 13, blow up his shit as soon as he freaking took it, as soon as he got done with it and decided to go full send on a car that he just literally put turbos on it and probably wasn't even tuned yet. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna do a couple revs, and you guys let me know if you like it. It's gonna sound better when the car has a load on it. This exhaust still, even before, still tended to be a little raspy with when it just basically you're just revving it. But it is what it is. I'm really happy with the sound though. I was so worried it was gonna sound like total shit, and it sounds pretty good. I'm about 90% of the same sound I had before, just quieter. Sounds good. You see, it doesn't sound that much different than it did before, but I need to put it on low for you can actually really hear the exhaust, and I'm not gonna be able to put it on low till after it comes back from tuning. So these are, I don't know if maybe you don't get as much of that turbo sound with since since I have it on since I have journal bearing turbos, or you know, I don't know if a ball bearing turbo makes more noise. I don't know. I'm learning turbo. I've learned more about turbos in the last 30 days than I've ever learned in my life. So all this is still very new to me. But yeah, I'm happy with the sound, and you could definitely hear them going once you do get going. But I'm having to be patient. So still a few more things I want to do to it, maybe tomorrow, just to get ready and hopefully have it at Auto Mafia on Friday. And he's gonna have it for a few days, so it'll probably be sometime next week, maybe before I even get it back. So yeah, so I'm happy with the sound, and we're, like I said, 90-95% almost to the same sound, and it sounds good. It's not a bad sound at all, and it's not stupid loud. It's actually a little quieter than it was before. So I'm not gonna live with that. That's okay. So yeah, and I think I might have to check one of the manifolds. I think I might have a small leak up there in the front, so I'm gonna look at that tomorrow too. Maybe tying up one of the manifolds or something, or align it better. But yeah, that's it, guys. So that's where we're at with the car, guys. It is what it is. I'm happy with it so far. This has been a slow progress. I know some guys take months and months to build a car. I don't have patience for that. And for me, this has been slow. I haven't driven this car in nearly a month already. Today was the first time I drove this car in almost a month. Just to the muffler shop and back home. That's all it's done. So yeah. So, but as you can see, it's not smoking. It's not doing nothing weird. I mean, it's running good. So I'm gonna be really excited once I get this car and I can drive it. And I know how much power it makes and all that stuff. So that's where we're at, guys. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications. Let us know what you think. Twin turbo V6. There's some out there. Believe me, I'm not the only one out there. There's a few out there. I think there's another black S550 that has the same setup as me. I don't know if he has any social media, but yeah, guys, let us know what you think, and you know, throw me numbers. What's it gonna make? I want to know. Give me guesses of what the car is gonna make. You know, and because Caleb told me. Caleb already asked me, what do you want it to make? So I'm not gonna go crazy with it because it's still a stock engine, but it's gonna make a little more than it makes. But yeah, I'm happy with it, guys. So let's do the code for this one. We're gonna do exhaust. Code for this one is exhaust. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.